produce a pure dry sample of magnesium chloride at the end of the reaction, the student suggests a method. And so the method that the student suggests is filter the remaining solid out of the reaction mixture in the beaker, wash out the solids with distilled water, and allow the water to evaporate to leave the pure solid. And the student's method does not produce a pure dry sample of magnesium chloride, MgCl2. Explain why the student's method does not work. So why is the method shit? So the method shit is because MgCl2 is soluble, so it can't be filtered. So already you're gonna have nothing in the filtration paper because it's dissolved into the goddamn water. So there's nothing there, right? And then the solid left over is gonna be magnesium carbonate. So that's unreacted. The unreacted magnesium carbonate is what's gonna be left over. So it won't give you a dry sample of MgCl2, but it will in fact give you a sample of MgCO3, which is something that you're not looking for. And so method does not work because MgCl2 is soluble, which means it can dissolve in water. Okay, so just two ways that the method cannot be changed to produce a pure dry sample of magnesium chloride. Okay, so the two ways that you could do it is that you could keep the salt solution and evaporate off that water, evaporate off the salt solution, and crystallize it. So crystallization and keep the filtrate. Keep the filtrate, not the solid. So you'd filter off that magnesium carbonate, throw that out, keep the filtrate, which is the liquid in the beaker, because remember that filtration one looks like this, where you'd have my art. And so then you're gonna have your funnel there, and then once you have your funnel there, you're gonna have your paper there, and so you're gonna have your solid here, your magnesium carbonate here, but then you're gonna have your liquid here, which is your filtrate. So that is your filtrate. Okay.